5 different websites you have to know as an Android TV user or a Fire Stick user. Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. I talk about Android TVs and Fire Sticks, and in this video, I just want to show you 5 different websites that if you are an Android TV user or a Fire Stick user, you should at least have an idea about, because with these websites, you can get any app that you want without any issues. And in all of these websites, the applications are all updated and you can use the websites without fear. Now, I just want to add, there are tons of different other websites out there, but I just make a compilation of 5 of them. I will say the 5 best, but I don't want to give them a rating yet. But these are 5 different websites that you should know of. Now, these websites are created by different people. I am not the owner of any of this website. So if you are watching the website and you already know the owner, please, I am giving all the rights and credits to the owner of the website, because this is just a video to help my viewers know about the availability of these websites. I own none of the websites, neither do I own rights to any of these websites. So we are watching the video, and if you like it, please make sure to subscribe for more important videos like this. Now, on Android TV, you can access a website by using your browser. It is simple, just go over to your browser and type in the website link. But on Android TV and Fire Stick, typing in a link, especially using your remote, at times is very troublesome. And that's why we Android TV users and Fire Stick users, we always use the downloader app. So that with just a downloader app, we can type a code, and the code is going to bring us to a link. And that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. We are going to be using a downloader app as our browser. So in that case, instead of 5 websites, I'm going to be giving you 5 different codes. But first of all, we need a download application. Now, if you already have the download application, you can skip this part of the video and go over to the part where I talk about the website. But if you don't have downloader, please let's start by installing a downloader application to your Android TV. And I'm going to install this application without using Google Play Store. What I'll do is I just go over to my browser and I search the downloader application, as you can see here, and here is it over here, and it is the web version of my Play Store, and I'm using it on my Google browser. If you have an Android TV, this is going to work for you, and you can use literally any browser to install the download application. Just go over to your browser and search for it, and you're going to see it like I just did here. Now, once you've gotten it, all you have to do is to download and install to Android TV. Now that is downloaded, you can go ahead and just launch it and install. And this is how the downloader works. Now, we use downloader to type in codes. So even though you can still type in the website URL here, just like the same way you could type it on your browser, but it's easier just typing in a 6-digit or a 5-digit code, and it leads us same to the website. Now we are going to get started. I just want to say, in no particular order, I'm not saying that this is from the worst website to the best website. No, all of this website has their pros and cons. They have their own unique starting point. So you are going to take a look at all of them, and for you, you're going to decide which one is best for you. So it is in no particular order. So I'm going to start with this website. It is called, and it's created by one of my YouTube fellow creators. So to go back to the website, all we have to do is to type in this code. This is the code 3752078. And once you type in the code, all you have to do is to go ahead and launch. And please, I said in no particular order I am sharing this website. There is no order. So this is the website, and you're going to launch it on your downloader, and this is how it's going to look like. Now, all of this website has different applications. Now, one thing I would recommend you to always do once you go over to a website like this, go over to the 3 lines at the top right corner here and add the website to your favorite, so you don't have to type in the code all the time. The next time you go over to the app, all you have to do is to go over to the option down here that says favorites, and you're going to see your website here. So once I give you all the 5 different applications, you can add all of these 5 different applications to favorites, so that you just be coming over here to your favorites. Now, in this website, where are the applications that you can install? Just go over here that says apps, and you're going to see all the applications in different categories that you can install. You see, there are lots of applications there, and this website also has a feature that says downloader codes. If you go to these downloader codes here, you are going to see 110 plus downloader codes that you can use on your Android TV or Fire Stick to install applications, and they're all updated to September 2025. So this was lastly updated like 4 days ago, because today is the 14th of December. I'm creating this. Sorry, the 14th of September that I'm creating this video. So this is the first website, and you should know about this website if you own a Fire Stick or an Android TV. So you can install literally lots of applications from this website. There are 5 different websites, or there are 4 remaining websites, so let's not waste a lot of time on this website. Once you type and cover here on your own, you can take out your time and search through it. So the next website on my list, and as I said earlier, please, in no particular order, it is not from best to worst, it is just websites. So in no particular order, the next website on my list is also called FireSTV. No, sorry, it is called FireStick Tricks. So the website is 28, or the code to the website is 28907. Please, these codes are very important. You can write them down, or you can snap them out, or whatever option you want to use to get them. So we go to download and type in the second code. It brings you to a website called Fire TV Sticks. The first one was firetvhacks.com. The one is firetvsticks.com, and it's also created by a YouTube creator. So I just want to say a shout out to them. As you go over here, you are going to see category of applications like this, and all of these are category of different applications they can install. So you see there are tons of categories over here of applications they can install. All you have to do is to choose yours and go over to it, and you're good to go to install any application that you want. I just kind of lost the website there. I can return to it. I just go back to the code here. I will go back to the website. So it's called firetvsticks.com, and that is the second website. Please, without wasting time, let's move on to the next website. I don't want to waste a lot of time. The next website is 53402. That is the website code. Once you type in, you just go ahead and launch, and it's going to bring you to the third website, and it's called techdoc.uk.com, also created by a fellow YouTube creator, and it's also an interesting website for TV users, either FireStick users or Android TV. So this is the website. Once you go over it, you can take out your time and browse through. It also has different categories of application, but I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. I'm just showing you the website. You can go over there and take out your time. Now the next website that I'm going to show you is the fourth website, and it's simply a website called drventure.com, and the website is 15218. Once you type in the code, you just go and launch. This is the fourth website, and it's called drventure.com, also created by a YouTube creator. As I said, I am not the owner of any of these websites. I just compiled them and I created a video to show you all of the website. And as you can see, you also have apps that you can install from here. There are other categories. Now this is not the best looking website because of the coloring is so loud, but it has applications, or it has what you can be looking for on your Android TV or Fire Stick. So this is the fourth website, and I'm going to go over to the last website on my list. As I said, it is in no particular order, but the websites are all useful for their different purposes. So you go over here and type in this code, and also as I said, you can go over here. Once you type in all these 5 codes, you can choose for yourself which website is the best for you. 252858, that is the code. Once you launch it, it's going to bring you to the last website on my list, which is reviewvpn.com. Once you launch a website, this is how it's going to look like, and it's also a very nice and simple website. It's all about VPN, but also if you go over the category that says, or the option that says category here, you're going to see different app categories in which you can install on your Android TV. And that's it about my video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share. For these 5 websites are going to be very helpful for you. I shared with you 5 websites in this video, so if you want more videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this.